Hi everyone and welcome to a new section called Saving on Scheduling. Let's introduce it and also see why it can be difficult to implement. First, scheduling is managing your infrastructure efficiently by automatically scaling to changing demands. So let's say you have a website for your company and you can see here the web traffic in the month. Maybe during the weekends, the traffic will be lowered and during the week you will have some peak. And same here for the web traffic by hours of the day. Maybe on nights it will be lowered and during the day you will have a peak. So it's a powerful cost-effective tool to handle workload patterns. Schedules usually represents between 10 and 30% of your total opportunities. Let's have an example. So if you stop your instances on nights and weekends, you can save 66% over running full time because they will be stopped two-thirds of the time. It requires a deep understanding on the application's workload patterns and performance metrics, and it can also include auto-scaling, spot instances, and scheduled scaling.